Alright, so I got a new fish tank, and I needed to build a stand for it. So drew out a plan, figured out what I needed, and made a cut list. And then went out, got myself some wood, bought 6x2s. I think I bought like 5 or 6 of them, not entirely sure. So about $40 worth of materials. And yeah, this is my journey to building that fish tank stand. Assembly time. So most of this is your standard. You're going to want to drill out the spot and then run a screw through clearly. That's the easiest way to do it, just because it's your least likely chance of cracking the wood. like watching the screws go in when they're in a, fast motion. It kind of looks cool. And then of course you got to test it, so smack it against something for strength. There's the 4 legs that I have made. And next we have to attach all of those legs together. And that's what's going to happen next. I did get this joint backwards of how I originally had meant to do it, because I was going off of a plan, but like all of my plans, they're kind of half-assed, but it's fine, because none of this is really meant to be perfect. In a perfect world, my idea would have been to have this out a little bit further, and then the shorter side pieces would have gone and butted up against the corner, and then this long piece would have butted up to that. But whatever, it's fine, it works. Here's me finishing up the frame. I got the majority of it put together now. I attached those long pieces to the short pieces. I don't know. It works, okay? It works. It's not about how perfectly you do things. It's about how well it works for you and your needs. Attaching the last leg right now. So we got it on the ground. My last goal is I'm just gonna install the last 2 front legs, the ones that are in the middle of those. Don't even know if it needs it, but like I said, the thing weighs about 300 pounds, full of water or more, can't remember off the top of my head, so figured we would get it as good as possible. And here is the finished product, fully in use. Thank you for watching. I'd appreciate it if you could like and subscribe to my channel. By the way, I forgot to describe me making the top slats. I just measured out the width and then threw them on there as quickly as possible. They're strong, that'll work.